Jay Dyson here from BC 206 Marketing. Let's get right to it. Internet income system. Why did I join Internet income system? There's a whole lot of business opportunities out there, but why this one? Well, first of all, it was inexpensive. $20 one time, $20 a month, or free. Well, I went for the top. $20 a month. See, there's software in this system that you're going to need to use, have access to build your business. So I went right for the top. I could have stayed free, but free's not going to give me what I want and need to build my business. Let me give you an example. This is all done for you. Email marketing, done for me. I can go in and tweak the emails if I want, but it's all done for me. Social media marketing, got that available to me. See, when I went full on, it unlocked a lot of this stuff in the back office for me. I mean, I wasn't going to sit here and try to do and build a business for free. That just gets me nowhere. So I went full on. Sales funnel. There is a piece here called the social planner. And what that social planner allows you to do is market on Facebook, LinkedIn, or any other social media platform like TikTok. That software is already there for me. Now, is there a cost for me using that? Yeah, of course. Of course there is. You know, a lot of people get into business and they want everything free. There's no business you can start free, using free. You start a brick and mortar, you have to spend money on the equipment and the assets, whatever. It's the same here online. So yeah, there's a cost for that social planner. But the thing is worth its weight in gold. If you're sitting at free, you're never going to see that. You're never going to be able to use that to its full potential. SMS marketing, you know, using smartphone technology. That's there. It's right there. There's a free version for that, but then when you unlock the upgrade or the upsell or however you want to term that, you get a lot more power out of it. Let me see. Let me go, and this is a free account right here, a free account that I created some time ago just to take a look at what the free side looks like. Now, here I'm going to go to my back office here in a bit, but I want you to take a look at something, and I want you to get up on this knowledge here. I can stay free. If I stay free, I'm not going to make any commissions at all. I'm just free. I can give the software away from folks for free, but I'm not going to make, I said not make any commissions at all. The commissions that I'm going to make are not going to get me to where I want to go. I want to make the top money, whatever that is, the top dollar. So I can stay as a free member. I can pay $20 one time and still get commissions of $20, or I can pay $20 monthly. When I pay that one-time fee, there's a one-time fee of $20. There's some things that open up to me that are not available to me free. Some things open up for me. I'm going to go over to my account here. Well, before I do, let me do one more thing. I'm going to hit on this right here. Pay $20 right here. And here. Yes, I want to pay $20 monthly. Look at what it says here. If you're paying $20 per month for 100% monthly resale rights, plus access to SMS opt-in and the SMS opt-in video library, make sure you check this box. If you're not paying with a credit card, you'll be responsible for keeping your membership active by logging in and paying your $20 monthly membership fee every month. Don't worry, you'll be reminded, and you get reminded. So I'm $20 a month, so every month I get reminded. Here's, if you're going to do this, if you're going to do the $20 one time, or if you're going to do the $20 monthly, here's the way I get paid. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle. That's it. If you pay with Cash App, you go to your Cash App, app, and you pay with Cash App. So look at what it says here. Click to pay with Cash App. Click it. And that's my information right there. Me, James Dyson, and there's my Cash App ID. $J W Dyson. That's it. So click to pay with Cash App. Venmo. Go to Venmo. Send $20 via Venmo. And there's my ID right there. Zelle. There's my email address right there. So those are the three methods that I get paid by. I don't do credit cards because it's Stripe, and Stripe can mess with you sometimes. Okay, so I did not do Stripe. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle. But if you want to do credit cards in your own business, you can integrate Stripe with your business here, in our internet income system. So now over to free software. Look at free software right here. The free software. Notice I emphasize free software. This same software you can buy also. Again, I'm the type of person is, if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it at the top level. I'm not going to use watered down versions of the software. I'm serious about my business, so I'm serious about what I bring into the business. But here you go, free software. Stop the video, you can watch the video here. So access your free software. Complete your profile. Okay, so we're going to go and I'm just going to click here, complete the profile. Or I'll just mark this step as completed. Go to the next step. You already have a My Software Business account. Mark this step as complete. So I'm going to complete that. Step 3, access your free software. You watch this video, it'll tell you what software is out there for free. I'm going to mark this step as complete. And here are your logon details. Bang, right here. Okay. And I'm going to mark this step free or complete. Step 4, the training center. There's a training center right now, and it's on the marketing on Facebook and other social media platforms. Very good training. It's a 2-hour training. See, but you only get that training. You don't get that training if you are a free member. You're only going to get that training if you're a paid member. And it's, like I said, it's a 2-hour training, and it's very good on how to market on Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. So I'm going to mark this step as complete. Go to the next step. Okay. So get your tools. Now see how these are all marked off right here? Because I can go back to them anytime I get ready. Because then they're hyperlinked now, so I can go back to them anytime I get ready. I want all the tools for $97 a month. What tool? Is that social media platform. It's called automation. It's $97 a month. It is powerful. It is powerful. I would highly recommend, if you're going to do this, get the tools. Pay for the tools. If I need a tool of some sort because I'm doing something at the house, I go to Harbor Freight or I go to Home Depot or Lowe's or somewhere, I have to buy the tool. I have to buy it. This tool is $97 a month. And when you open up that tool, you'll be amazed at what you see. Full blown. So now, it says I want all the tools. I'm going to do I'll pass and pay later, which you can. You can do that. So I'm going to pass on that. And here's step 6. Schedule a one-on-one session. So you can schedule it right here. Step 7. Register for the webinar. If you have not joined the Facebook group, that's right over here, Facebook group, join the Facebook group. It's an active Facebook group, very active. Jeff, the developer of this software, the Internet Income System, he's always doing something, upgrading something, making something, enhancing something. He's always in there, and he lets you know in the Facebook group, hey guys, here's the tool that I have for you. Hey guys, I just did this with this tool. Hey guys, here's some training for you right here. He does all of that pretty much on a daily basis. The guy's very active in the Facebook group. So now I'm going to mark this step as complete. This was step 7. And share and get paid. So use this web link. You get your web links. That's the web link. That's how your web link's going to look. Now you can go out and you can start marketing on solo ads, through any social media. You can start doing that. But here's the thing. You want to get the training on how to market on social media, whether or not you should buy solo ads. This is stuff that you need to know. I'm in another program I'll detail in another video that talks about and gives you training on marketing yourself and your business on social media like Facebook. As a matter of fact, there's 2 trainings that I make available to you. 2. And I'll talk about those in another video. But hey, you need to get yourself set up to start doing business. So here's your link right there. Social media posts 1 and 2. Oh, there's a beautiful piece of software called Ava Writes. Oh man, it's beautiful. You can take this text here, put it over in Ava Writes, and it will spit out alternative text that you can use. That's great, I think, because of the fact that most people are going to use the default text. I like to shy away from that and do something unique, so I use Ava Writes a lot. In the next video that I do, I'm going to go over into my account, because I have the full-blown system, everything, and show you how this stuff works and how valuable it is. All of this is done for you already. I don't have to create, nor do you have to create any of the software. It's already done by Jeff. It's your email swag copy, your promo videos. Okay? This is the free stuff here. This is the free stuff. So I urge you, become a paid member. Get out of the free side of the house, because there's a whole lot of stuff that just opens up to you when you become a paid member. And here's a nice thing about this platform. Is you don't get paid by the company. You get paid directly from the person who joined you in business, and they pay the $20 one time or $20 a month, or they buy the software like we're going to see in another video. You get paid whatever that is. That $97 that you saw earlier, what was that? That was in step 5, I believe. Let's go back to step 5. Yes, it's in step 5. I want to pay, want all the tools for $97 a month. When you refer someone and they join you in this business, when they do that, when they make that $97 a month payment for you every month, you get that $97 a month. Not the company, you get it. That's what I like about this system, internet income system. Now, there's another system that it's right in line with this here, and it's called the My Software Business. I'll detail that in another video. I'll take a look at that. If you have any questions about anything that you've seen here, please do not hesitate to get with me. You can text me if you want. I'll put my text number in this video. When I edit this video, I'll make sure that I'll put my number in where you can text me if you want. Or you can leave comments on the video. Okay? So don't hesitate to get with me if there's something that you need to ask me about. All right, so that's it for this video. Next video, we're going to be talking about the Microsoft or the My Software Business. And that's where that My Software Business, that's where I went full on. I went all in. Went all in. And then we'll look at some of the other businesses that I've incorporated into my system. See, I built a system myself, and the system is all of the things that I've gone out and gotten involved in, and I bring it all together, and it's my business. You know, it's like walking into Home Depot. You got this on aisle 1, you got this on aisle 2, you got this on aisle 3, aisle 4, etc., etc. It's the same with the way I've set up my business, and we'll explore all of that. All right, so that's it for this video. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to text me. You'll see my text number in this video. All right, so this is Jay Dyson from BC206 Marketing. We're out on this video. Have a great day. See you inside.